All right, so you can see here I just threw together a little quick workbench. If you look underneath here, all of this wood was basically just sitting on the floor, and when I had it leaning up against the wall, I just have to move it. So this is a solution. Because I have this on casters, I'm able to roll it about the shop, which is obviously going to be better. Now on the top, I was trying to decide on if I was going to use MDF plywood, and when I went to Home Depot yesterday, I saw that this particle board was only $29, and since this is just a throw together type of bench, I figured I'd just go ahead and use this. Now when I was cutting it, I didn't have this side supported, so when I cut it and I got to the end, you can see it kind of broke off there, but that's okay. You know, you can kind of get an idea of the size of it. So it's basically about the same length as my regular MFT bench, which is right here, but instead of being 4 foot, it's, you know, about half that, maybe about just over 2 foot. And yeah, it's going to give me a lot of flexibility as far as having a work surface that does not have any kind of dog holes in it. So that'll be a nice little surface to work on and to assemble things. So, you know, of course, congested space you can see there, but yeah, so I just have this down there because I took it down from up off the wall where you see I had the Makita one. I need to come up with another solution. I'll probably do something similar to this, where I've got this kind of plastic clip on each side, and I'll probably do that with the these longer rails. Now I'm trying to figure out where I want to put the longer rails, because it's a pain in the butt to get it from up there when, you know, I've got this area here. You know, trying to get back there to get the rail down is not super convenient. Anyways, yeah, so this is the new table that I've built, and what I was thinking I could do is potentially get some aluminum extrusion. If I can get an aluminum cutting blade for one of my miter saws, I could put an aluminum extrusion on each side, and then if I wanted to take one of my guide rails that I have back over there and put it on here with, like, say maybe a dashboard hinge system. And the reason why I would use the dashboard is because obviously if you look at the bench dogs, how it actually goes onto the tabletop, and it narrows your work surface. It makes it to where, you know, you don't have as much cut capacity, because the hinge will come in over here, and then it will also come in over here, so leaving you a narrower cut range. But if I add aluminum extrusion to the side, I can slide, you know, clamps and stuff like that on here. So I don't know, that might be something that I'll consider with this, or I can tinker around with this as well and get some T-track and groove out some T-track slots so I can do some clamping down to the table. Maybe, I don't know. Right now I just like the smooth, you know, just the basic aesthetic of it. And then I was going to do it with this kind of laminate covered stuff. I think that was only like maybe $40 from the Home Depot, but I went ahead and just went with this, even over the MDF, because yeah, I don't know, I just decided to go with this over MDF. As you know, obviously this is the MDF here, and I could have done that, but I didn't. Anyways, yeah, just different little steps to get the shop in order. I still have a bunch of wood over on that side over there where I need to, I think I'm gonna make a temporary wood cart to put it on, just so I can do what I'm doing here, which is move this about if I need to. That is the goal. Anyways guys, thanks for taking time to watch the video. I'll see you in the next one.